Okay, on this video I want to record how to make a list. So first you have to put in all the names that you want in your list on somewhere on your spreadsheet, and then come into the cell where you want your list to reside, and then click on it and then go up to data, data validation, and then come here and then say allow lists, and it will tell you to select your sources. And then what it means is basically just select all the names that you want in your lists, and you can just click OK, and that's it. And now you're gonna have all the names of whatever you want to click on here. That's it.